Hey y'all, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm about to make some bomb ass macaroni and cheese. Yeah, so I have tons of them on my channel. So if this one is not for you, you could check out my playlist below. But yeah, let's get started. Looks so good already. So the usual suspects, you have your carnation milk, your cheese, your eggs. I'm using 3 kinds of cheese, sour cream, spicy girl, the works. So in this bowl, we're going to work on the custard as in the base. You're going to add your carnation milk, your sour cream. Sour cream adds a little bit of creaminess as well as a tang in your mac and cheese. So I think it's good to have it in there, but it's definitely optional. You want to season your base because you want it to taste good. So I added some pepper, hot sauce, my spicy girl, my spice. You could also purchase my spice. The link will be below. Mix that up just like this. Get everything nice and incorporated. You want to add your other can of carnation milk. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I just added the regular milk. You want to season this with some salt. Make sure you taste it before you add your eggs. Taste your custard, taste your base always. Now this step, I was supposed to add my eggs before I added my cheese and I forgot. But it doesn't matter. It's still going to go in there. It's still going to be perfectly fine. And you just want to add all your cheeses, half of all your cheeses down into the custard. And then I'm going to add my egg down in here. Today I'm doing a new thing where I'm going to heat this up. Usually I don't heat it up. I just put it right onto the noodles. But my homegirl taught me a little trick. So I'm going to do that today. And I'm going to pour it into a pot just like this. And we're just going to heat it up. Now, I know some of y'all stubborn and some of y'all don't listen. Some of y'all don't watch the video all the way through. If you boil this, you're going to ruin it. Do not boil this. All you want to do, medium heat until the cheese melts. That's it. All right, so here are my noodles. I have 2 pans. Actually making this for my mom-in-law, so I won't be cutting into it, but you guys will get the gist. It's a fail-proof macaroni and cheese recipe. You can't mess it up. Add your butter, add your cubed cheese. Then you're gonna add your custard. Child, that custard. You want to add it right down in there and mix it up. Look how cheesy. Look how cheesy that is, y'all. You want to mix that up. We're going to pop this into a 375-degree oven covered for 45 minutes until it's cooked all the way through. And then I'll show you guys what I do next. Alright, so after 45 minutes, this is what the macaroni and cheese looks like. Then I'm going to top it with all 3 cheeses. I'm going to mix them up into a plate and add it right on top just like this. You want to take the lid off, put it back in the oven until the cheese is nice and melty and crusty. And this is what it's going to look like, y'all. Perfect, delicious, solid, not runny. And you probably could call this a macaroni pie, but I'm not going to call it that. We're going to call it baked macaroni. Also, like I said, this is for someone else, so I can't cut into it. But I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. I hope you try this recipe. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Stay tuned for the turkey because that's coming tomorrow morning. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and share, guys. Bye.